Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to shop and ask for prices in English. Let's get started. Here are some useful phrases. How much is this? How much does it cost? Can I try this on? Do you have this in another size? I'll take it. These phrases are very useful when shopping. Let's look at an example conversation. Customer: how much is this? Staff: it's $20. Customer: great, I'll take it. These are common phrases you can use in shops and stores. Now it's your turn. How much is your favorite item? What do you usually buy when shopping? Have you ever asked for a different size? You can pause the video and answer these questions. Comment your answers below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next lesson.